A lot of times I see people struggle with the obedience part in Islam. We need to understand that this obedience is coming from Allah SWT. Al-Quran is not written by an ordinary author. Allah's word, direct words. So these words are direct orders. When we are forbidden to not consume alcohol, not do any kind of haram stuff, that's a direct order. That's not a recommendation. Wear hijab is a direct order. So all these direct orders are the fard, or the obligatory things. So when you are obeying anybody that Allah SWT commanded you to obey, you are not submitting to that person. You're submitting to the will of Allah. Allah SWT told you, commanded you to obey your parents. There is no ifs and buts and maybe my rights and things like that. No, you have to obey your parents. You have to serve your parents. Women usually struggle out obeying their husbands. So again, they say, I don't want to submit to a man. So not any passers-by man or any man in the street has one level up on you. Your husband has one level up on you. Not submitting to the man, you're submitting to Allah SWT by obeying our husband as a direct command from Allah SWT. Allah SWT has given us the choices, this world, good or bad. You follow Allah's command or you don't. There are consequences to both. But if you choose the right path, which is Sirat al-Mustaqim, you will be in a beautiful place. If you put all your trust in Allah SWT by obeying all the commands, everything in life will fall into place.